going to the basement?
Because, guys, that's where ghosts do their thing. It's
Children,
dark,
please use
dusty.
electricity safely.
Can I help you, Tim?
Yeah, we're just gonna check out the basement.
We don't go to the basement.
He doesn't go to the basement. Why is that?
Bulge boards. My wife had some workers here get to the door, but you can't get in because it's bolted shut.
Still think it's probably worth... Is that hot chocolate?
It's Judge Coco. Adamix makes a pot for me each night before she leaves.
I see. Mr. Iverson, in order to fully understand the connection that you have with this ghost, I will need to see what you see. Where? What you wear? Drink.
You're saying you'd like some hot chocolate?
Yes, with marshmallows, please. Gosh. Tastes like it was dipped straight out of Willy Wonka's river. Would you be serious? Most gracious host, you know. He just offered. I wouldn't have had to ask, and that pen coat, not nearly as filling as it may have seemed.
What the hell?
Dog is kind of an a-hole. Let's see something. Almost
So what do we do now?
I think we stay here. We close the blinds, we lock the doors, we call it a night. Del Taco? Del Taco.
No, not me. I'm going out there.
You kidding me?
Sean, this is what we do.
Okay, fine. What are you talking about? I don't know. You got my mind all messed up. I'm going that direction. You went that way.
Children, please use electricity safely. Children, please use electricity safely. electricity safely.